Hello everyone, this is Team Mitra Mandli with our project Destin for ByteVerse Hackathon. Uh, Destin is an innovative dating application which aims at providing the perfect match using shared interests such as music, books, anime, movies, etc. And we leverage the power of powerful APIs provided by the most popular platforms in each interest field. Like we have used the Spotify for generating music recommendation. We have used Goodreads for reading recommendations, Anime List for anime, Letterbox for movie recommendations. We want people. Destin is an app if you are looking for people who are just as passionate as you about an particular interest field. Uh, our motivation for Destin was that the current dating apps only seem to provide suggestion based on either distance uh, and the other thing is that they bombard you with a lot of recommendations, and most people make decisions only on the basis of pictures and physical appearances. So that seemed very shallow to us. So we decided to make something like Destin, in which we want to find people based on things that we really care about, that we are really passionate about. For achieving this, we have used the power of machine learning. We extract various parameters. For music, we extract like uh, different genres, durations, singers, artists, popularity of each song, and we combine all these parameters and feed them to a machine learning algorithm to provide you the best possible match. Similarly, we have done similar things with other APIs and for other interest field as well. Uh, so let me demonstrate you the live demo of our project, whatever we were able to make in this hackathon. Uh, so this is the home screen in which it tells you about a app. There's a nice little attractive GIF or GIF of our logo. Then we'll proceed to sign up. Let's enter an email. We have tried to keep the UI as user friendly as possible. Uh, After this, the user is prompted with a complete profile page in which we take a few little information about the user. Not only 5 to 10 pictures like other dating apps. We only care about the most necessary information uh, because otherwise the recommendations are provided based on interests. After this, the profile of the user is created and you are proceeded to the dashboard. In the dashboard of the user, in the left corner, you can see the profile of the user, profile picture, the name, your bio, edit profile button, and all the different interests. Uh, there will be more information about each interest when you once you add an interest from the interests column of our website. There's the matching section which displays how many people you have matched with. There's a pending section. Like once you start matching, Destin will provide you with recommendations, and then you can choose either to like them or pass them. If you like them, then a request will be sent to the other person, and if such request was with us, then it would be shown in the pending section. So let's start by adding an interest so that we can start using our app. Uh, we'll go to the interest section, click to add an interest. As you can see, there are four options. We have implemented the music taste using Spotify API and the anime taste using my anime list API. Currently, we are able to implement these two, but in future we are planning to implement the movie taste using Letterbox API. For books, we are planning to use Goodreads, and our future plan is to take different parameters from all different interests to provide you the best possible recommendation. Currently, we are providing you recommendation based on specific interest. That is fun too, like the user will have an option. So let's click to add music taste. It's a loading screen. Uh, a particular challenge that we faced during this project was working with OAuth 2.0 APIs and incorporating their workflow with our project. But it was fun. The documentation was nice. So we dug through the documentation, and through a lot of trial and error, we were able to figure it out. So as you can see, our app is based on like long-term workflow. We are not required to give permission now from Spotify because we have used this device before. So once a user has used this device, he will not be required to give permission again and again. It will be stored in the cache. So as you can see, we added our music taste, and now in your interest, you have music taste added as your interest. So once this is done, we can start matching based on music. So let's start matching. Uh, one the user you will probably be provided with a carousel display of all the users that you have matched with. You can choose either to like them. If you like them, then a request will be sent to them, and you will appear in their pending section. And if they also like you, then it will be a match. Or you can simply choose to pass them. Once you are done with all your requests, you can select done. Uh, so let me show you some other profile just to give you more idea of our project. This is a profile that I already created of one of my friends. The forms are fully like they provide you with all the errors if you encounter any. So let's start matching for Karthik. Uh, you can choose either to like them or pass them. Then as you can see now, I will log in with another account. So because Karthik liked me, so Karthik is now in the pending section of Prashant. Liked me with me, I meant Prashant. So as you can see now, I can either match with them or pass him. And once a user has matched with each other, uh, you will go to a chatting thread, a conversation thread will start with that user, and it will appear in the chat section of our app. In the matches section, there will be a list of all the contacts that you have matched with, and you can do chatting. We use Django channels for implementing chatting in our application. So this was all about the implementation of our application. We hope to provide a better culture in dating world in today's world with Destin, and we hope everyone likes it, and we hope we can make a better impact with our app. Thank you, everyone. This was Team Mitra Mandli.